Hi guys, this is Prashant here from prashantpacha.com. In this video, I am going to show you a detailed review about Polaris. Well, this product is created by Jonah Armstrong, who is my mentor in affiliate marketing, and combined with Rashwin, who is an ads expert. He is doing Google Ads and Facebook Ads. He has been gaining nearly like 6 figures from doing ads itself. So these two members combined and released this Polaris product. So in a nutshell, what this Polaris product is all about? Well, it is about a done for you campaign. They have pretty much every done for you campaign for you to promote. And not only that, you can also create funnels. In the sense, you can create the squeeze page and thank you page as for your own design. So it is not a pre-built one. I mean, it is a pre-built one, but you can change it as your own wish for the squeeze page and thank you page. I am sure many of them will know the squeeze page is important to collect emails so that you can retarget them again with email marketing. So in this is the dashboard of the Polaris. I will show you in a detailed manner what this product is all about and how you can use it effectively by doing your step-by-step method. So if you are really interested in affiliate marketing to earn money, then this is a right product because they will be giving you squeeze page, thank you page, and also the products which are which are selling good in the market. You can just apply for the link for those products and make it to your thank you page so that you can drive traffic. They also say they are also given the training on how you can gain the traffic too. So there is nothing left out in this Polaris. So it is a great way for you to earn money. So if you are really interested in this Polaris, then just click the first link in the description below where you will be landing onto my bonus page for the Polaris. Well, this Polaris will be launched tomorrow at 10 a.m. EST and my bonus page will be expired on 22nd. So make sure you avail these bonuses before it expires, because these are the custom made bonuses especially for you and especially for Polaris. So what is this Polaris about? It is about the world's best auto funnel software for unlimited commissions and leads from free viral traffic. As I told you before, you can create the funnel easily because everything is built in this software. And not only that, Rashwin is an expert in traffic. He will be showing you how to drive traffic too. So it is easy for you to make nearly $1,200 plus per day. So once you land onto this bonus page, click one of this blue color icon where you will be redirected to the sales page. Well, this is the sales page of the Polaris. Once you have been redirected to this sales page, just go through the sales page on your own time so that you can able to see what this Polaris is all about and what you can gain with it. As you can see, here is the number one landing page you can create and money pages for you. So simple and profitable method. 90% of funnels are broken down or easily breakable using this Polaris. 99% of marketers have a major traffic problem, but they have solved the traffic problem in this Polaris software too. So you can just go through this sales page on your own time. As you can see, as I mentioned, automated funnel software, 2-in-1 free traffic, viral traffic, and 20 done for you funnels for you to promote in this instance once you bought the Polaris. So everything is everything is done for you from funnel to traffic and also the products which are converting for you. And you can see the who Jonah Armstrong is about. That's what I told you, right? Just to go through this sales page on your own time so you can get to know what is Polaris all about. So now let's see the bonuses which I will be providing to you if you are picking Polaris with my link, which is first link in the description below. So my first bonus is about get full access to my mentors done for you campaigns. As you can see, you have got 20 products, right? 20 campaigns for you to promote. But you will be, if you pick it with my link, my first one is about you will be getting my mentors done for you campaign for a whole year. For entire 365 days, you will be getting access to this done for you campaign. My second bonus is about free bonuses. Well, let's say you have the funnel and you also have the product to promote, and also you don't need to worry about traffic because they will be showing you how you can drive traffic too. But in turn, you need bonuses, right? Because bonuses is an exciting because bonus is an exciting offer which you need to give for the people to entice it so that they can buy it from you. I will be giving you 30 plus high quality bonuses which you can ready-madely use it to promote your products. And third bonus is about launch jacking method. Well, I have been earning good amount of money with the launch jacking. I will show you the step-by-step training method how you can use this launch jacking method to gain $100 per day. My fourth bonus about, as you can see, there are nearly like 20 plus products which is available for you to promote with the Polaris, right? Here, if you purchase this Polaris with my link, then I will be giving you 4 products. These 4 products which will give you 100% commission. As you can see, every product will give you just 50% commission, but if you pick this 4th bonus, you will be getting 100% commission to 4 of the products which is in the van quiz which is released by Jono also. So there is nothing, any catch here. You will be getting 100% commission to 4 of the products for you absolutely free. So it is a great offer for you to use it in the Polaris software. And last but not least, it is the vendor bonuses which will be available for you in the membership site, in the software which is given by the Jono Armstrong and Rashwin. So let's see the demo of this Polaris software. So as you can see, once you log into the Polaris software, you will be able to see the dashboard. This is the dashboard. As you can see, it will show you total funnels and the total views of the funnels and also total subscribers and templates. And not only that, you can start the Polaris training also. It will give you a detailed training on how you can extensively use this software to its full extent. And also Polaris 120 seconds funnel creation. Just you need to spend 120 seconds to create any type of funnel for your purpose. And if you go for categories, these are the categories which has been included in this Polaris software, which is affiliate marketing, email marketing, general marketing, video marketing, fitness and weight loss, health niche, self-improvement, dating and relationship, ClickBank high ticket, and top ClickBank products. So these are the categories which has been included in this Polaris software. So let's dive deep into the funnels. So as you can see, I have clicked Polaris funnels, which will show you the funnels which are available for you to use in this Polaris software. So as you can see, there are 10 different types of funnels which you can use. 10 categories of funnels, which is for affiliate marketing, dating, email, and for every category you have a ready-made built funnel for you, which you can extensively use it, and you can also edit and modify it as your own wish. So before I show you about all these funnels, how you can create it, let's see the products which are available in the Polaris. As you can see, as I mentioned before, you will be available 20 plus of products for you to promote on all the categories. So first of all, let's see this affiliate marketing category. What are the products which are available for you to promote in the affiliate marketing side. So the first one is about 12-minute affiliate system, free traffic system, Commission Hero, CB University, and as you can see, there are only 4 products which is available for you, which is in the front end. If you need more products, you can pick up any of the OTOs for you to add the products, or you can just check my bonuses, which I am giving 4 products. 4 products with 100% commission for you, which you can directly add it to this Polaris and you can promote it as your own wish. So first of all, I will show you how you can promote this the 12-minute affiliate system. So just once you log in here to the 12-minute affiliate system, click apply for link. As you can see, you can click for apply for link here, which will open the ClickBank product. Because it is a ClickBank product, you need to have an account in the ClickBank. Even if you don't have it, if you click that apply for the link, you will be redirected to the page where you can create an ClickBank link. Once you create a ClickBank link, you will have an uplink generator. You just need to give the name, nickname, or also you can give the username. Both are same. Just type the nickname and generate uplink. It will give you the affiliate link for your own 12-minute affiliate offer product. So just to copy the link and you need to paste it here. So once you have given it and click the save affiliate link, it will be, your affiliate link will be saved successfully. So as of now you have one product which you can promote, that is the 12-minute affiliate system from ClickBank. Now let's go for the funnels. Now we will create a funnel to promote this 12-minute affiliate system. So it is an affiliate product, right, which is in the affiliate marketing category. So in funnels also you need to go with that same category. So I will go with this affiliate marketing category and view the funnels which are already existing in the Polaris. So let's see what are the things which what are the funnels which already exist there. So you can see there are some of the templates here. These are the templates which is already available for you to promote in the name of affiliate marketing category. So I will just show you how you can create it quickly with this first one. So I will just click this 5 tips to becoming super affiliate create funnel. Okay. I will show you how you can effectively, you can just keep this same funnel or you can even edit also. So that is your own wish, not a problem. Just give the name. I will give my own name. You can give whatever name you need. Okay. I have given my own name, and URL should be something which you already, I will just give an 12-minute, sorry, I will give minute page. Okay. You just need to give the URL which you have it. And next one is about, this is the image, not the image, this is how your squeeze page will look like. As you can see, this is the headings and these are the free access, email and name. You can see you can remove the name also. So I removed the name and it has been gone here. If you need name and email, you just click this name and email so that you can collect the email address of the customers which are going to you. And not only that, you can also add your own autoresponder. As you can see, you can add the autoresponder. I forgot to show you. You can add the autoresponder in the profile. If you go for your own profile, you can add your own autoresponder to this Polaris. So I'll just go to get response. It is one of my autoresponder, and I will select the list for it. So once it has been selected, you go for advanced settings. In this advanced settings, it will show you headlines and subheadlines. So what are these headlines and subheadlines is, you can just let's say I will type 5 tips for affiliate marketing. Okay. As you can see, which I am typing and it is also changing the headline, right? So this is what this all about, 5 tips for affiliate marketing. And you can also change the subheadline. Let's say, as you can see, it is already changing the subheadline. I don't know what to write it because I have not have enough memory to write it right now. So don't worry about that. You can just change. You can just leave the headline as it is, or you can change the headline and subtitle for it. So that is not a problem. And also you can add the image or video for it. So you can just customize your own squeeze page as you can now. And custom codes is about header code. In this header code, you can give Google Ads Pixel and Facebook Ad Pixel so that you can again retarget the customers who are getting access to your squeeze page. So it is one way of getting traffic, and those traffic models which are available in this Traffic and Sales Academy training. So this is how you will be seeing this. This is how you will be modifying or editing this squeeze page. Now let's click this next step so that you will be redirected to the thank you page. So this is how the thank you page will look like. Thank you for subscribing. Download your free access here. And as you can see, it is not much of an available information, but we can edit it. I will show you how you can edit. I just click this 12-minute affiliate system. As you can see, once I have clicked it, it has included the image, the 12-minute affiliate system. Sorry for this. Just a minute, I will close it. So this is how you can get it. Thank you for subscribing and 12-minute affiliate system with the information about it. And not only that, what is this picture upload? This picture upload is about, you can upload your own picture which will be displayed here. So you will be I mean, like your customers can able to see who they are picking this product from. So it is a good way to give a face value by providing your own picture. So just upload your own picture, and this quick bar is for you to write here, and it will be displayed there. I mean, this quick bar is for you to write. Let's say I will write it like thank you for picking up the fine tips of affiliate marketing. So once you have given it, just click the next step, which will be redirected here. So your funnel is ready, right? Once you click on this submit button, your funnel will be ready with squeeze page and thank you first to promote this 12-minute affiliate program. So this is how you will be setting up your product as well as your funnel. If you come to marketing resources, you can see email sequence. This email sequence will give you like 3 to 4 of emails which you can follow up with the members who are going to sign in into your squeeze page. And not only that, you will be also getting banners to run Facebook and Google Ads. And your subscribers you can able to see the subscribers who has been signed in your squeeze page. You can also download that subscribers list and upload it to your own email autoresponder too. If you go to Polaris tutorials, you will be finding all the videos on how to use this Polaris software effectively. And Traffic and Sales Academy will give you the detailed videos and program about traffic and how you can convert them into a sales. And at last, it is about the FAQ, where you can find all the questions which will be answered for you. So you'll be getting a support from this Polaris team too. So this is how this Polaris software is all about. If we come to this one-time offers which you will be receiving with the Polaris, I will show you to you. Just a minute. Yeah, this is it. So first of all, let's see what is Polaris all about. It is about customers will get access to 20 done for you funnels in top ClickBank niches with highest gravity. They can build unlimited campaigns with these 20 funnels and get access to our marketing resources. Marketing resources consist of email sequence for mailing their subscribers and high quality banners for each funnel. Works for both Google and Facebook ads plus social media. We are also providing traffic training to help them get started. So this is how this Polaris is all about. So it is a good product, right? As for me, it is a great product for those who are in the beginner stage to start affiliate marketing. So you will get all this for just $17. You will be getting the Polaris software and the training modules for just $17. And the first upsell is about Polaris Pro Edition. This Polaris Pro Edition is about $37. You will get access to additional 40 complete done for you funnels for the top ClickBank niches, including custom funnels for the handpicked 7 best converting ClickBank products too. So you can earn the good amount of money by promoting this ClickBank products using this funnel. Not only that, you will also get access to the Traffic Sources and Sales Academy, which is an advanced Facebook, Google and Solo Ads traffic training, which will be provided by Rashwin for you. And upsell number 2 is about Polaris Done For You campaign. You will get access to high ticket ClickBank product funnels, allow you to bank high commission using Polaris. They have carefully picked this product based on their past history and conversation. So you can also get regular updates with new high ticket product funnels as when there is a new offer in ClickBank with highest gravity without any additional monthly payments for you. So this will include also the commercial license for the Polaris app and high ticket done for you funnel plus limitless traffic. So what is this about? This is about you will get in front end access to all of Jono's 2020 products, which includes Lockdown Formula, Insurgency, Gemini, JavaScript, Commission Bot, Vanquilus, plus front end access to all its future releases. And not only that, you will be also getting a bump to commission throughout the funnel when they promote any of Jono's future products. So it is a great monster value because you will be getting 100% commission to all the products which are being released by Jono from not only till now but also in the future. And last one is about upsell number 4. It is a reseller bundle license. You will get a reseller and developer rights to Insurgency, Gemini, JavaScript, Commission Bot, and Vanquish. With dual rights, you can able to essentially get your own digital business start as a product vendor without creating any products. And the key benefits for you if you purchase this Polaris, you will be getting you will not be paying a ridiculous monthly fee for this software. You can able to build unlimited funnels. You just don't need to, broken funnels that leak profits, no hosting or domain fees. No, there is no need to paying for any traffic. You can create your own product and lead magnet. You don't have to wait for months to see the results because everything is done for you, your funnels as well as the traffic. So you just need to go with it and you can promote the ClickBank and many other products to see the results. So along with this, I have added the demo video. Also, you can check the demo video in the first link in the description. It will launch this bonus page. In this bonus page, I have shown the demo video. Demo video too. So you can check this demo video. And last but not least, the bonuses which I will be giving it to you are the full access to my mentor done for you campaigns, which is all for 365 days. And second bonus about 30 high quality bonuses which you can give it away for free to your customers as an offer for free. And next bonus is about launch hacking, how I can able to effectively earn money like $100 per day by just doing a launch hacking method. And fourth bonus is about you will be getting an 100% commission to 4 of the products from the Jono itself. I will be giving 4 products. You can push to 50% to 100% for the 4 products throughout the funnel. You can able to gain 100% commission with it. And you can also use this products in the Polaris too. And last but not least, it is the vendor bonuses which you will be getting it from the Jono itself. So in a nutshell, this Polaris is a great funnel, auto funnel software with unlimited free viral traffic source. So just pick it up with the first link in the description below where you will be landing onto my bonus page. If you want to avail my bonuses, just make sure you click this button before this timer expires. If you click this one of this button, you will be redirected to the sales page. In the sales page, you can get this Polaris product for just $17. I hope this review has been helpful for you.